Here's everything I ate in Manila for a week or pwede rin a week in my life as a business owner / content creator. Bahala na kayo. Thursday, I paid my tax return in the bank, had lunch with my assistant at Hoshino Coffee, and I got the teriyaki chicken steak plate and went to the Shopee office for my BIR Form 2307. Friday was my OB checkup. I was very nervous this day, and after I was cleared with PCOS, I went to Tim Ho Wan. I ordered their fishball noodle soup and chicken Chinese sausage and mushroom rice. Ang hirap kasi gusto ko ng rice pero gusto ko rin ng soup. So, dalawa na yung in-order ko, although hindi ko naman naubos. Medyo affordable pala ang Tim Ho Wan, no? Second time ko palang kumain dito and masarap naman yung food, pero I don't know ano yung parang aftertaste doon sa noodles na parang paper matagal mo nang kinakain. Then, I went to the Matcha Tokyo and tried Hojicha latte for the first time. Nasa siyang burnt rice pero roasted tea talaga siya. Saturday, nagyaya si Mama mag-panic shopping sa Landers Arcovia. Pero kumain muna kami sa Malaking. First time ko sa tinitimbang na ingredients and masyado nag-enjoy si Mama, inabot ng 1,600 yung kanya, 800 naman yung akin. As an acid reflux girly, 0 spice level yung akin, but loved it so much better compared doon sa may spice. Okay, back to Landers. Nakaka-anxious talaga yung mga news these days. So gets ko naman si Mama na she wanted to be prepared in case of blackouts and yung mga price increases. Basically, puro mga delata and instant food lang yung binili namin at inabot po yan ng 12,000. Anyway, I went to Choto Matcha afterwards just to try it for the very first time and it was very bland in my opinion. Sunday was church day. We had lunch at Max's. We got the sinigang and OG fried chicken and then yaw-yaw and finally naabutan ko din may stocks yung Eng Bitin, Dubai Chewy cookie and hindi siya masarap. Monday, I just went to the gym, had brunch at Mary Grace and then Zeus iced nut pistachio latte afterwards. Ang sarap nito, it's just that it's too sweet. Tuesday was my follow-up check-up. Then I went to the gym again, had lunch at Kenny's. Alam nyo ba na you can get a side salad and soup when you add 80 pesos to your solo A meal? Request din ako ng more steamed veggies and the staff gave me one. Wednesday, I attended the Tokyo event in Mandaluyong. So, syempre, we ate tempura, beef misono, and more Tokyo food. Then, I hung out with content creator friends, explored shallow couple, edit at nag-upload. Friday, I received a PR mail from Uniqlo and filmed some inserts I will be using in a reel. Sunday, I went to Ortigas to film for a reel alone. Thank God, it went well naman and mabilis din ako natapos. Then, I ate at Salang Kay Resto. Isa to sa mga OG Kay Resto sa Ortigas. If you work in Ortigas, you ordered galbitang for 380 pesos. Usually, kimchi jjigae talaga in-order ko. Kaso nga, hello, acid reflux. It was good naman, just a bit salty and madaming litid bato or parts na hindi makain at all. Then, I went to Zeus to edit the reel. Sila kasi yung pinakamalapit. And ito yung hindi ko masyado napakita sa week in my life na to. Yung hours spent in front of my laptop answering emails and editing on my phone. Nakulay na rin ako ng roots ko sa TNJ. Anyway, yun lang naman. Let me know if you want more vids like this. Bye!